What exhaust?
What the hell?
What exhaust is this again?
MXP Comp RS. Oh my god, it's fucking
MXP?
loud. Yeah, MXP Comp RS Catback.
Alright, you heard that? That's what the exhaust right here is. So pretty much we had to take for the exhaust muffler, we had to take 2 bolts out. And I guess it has 2 hangers. I still can't believe just one pipe was for just dual exhaust. I thought I had like 2 pipes.
So there.
It's a big muffler.
It's gonna fall?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
You gotta take it off.
Fucking shit, I want to drop it on my fucking head.
Right here hits the gym. That's 2 hangers for the muffler?
Nah, it's like 5.
5?
4.
Oh damn. 4? Oh shit, I do see it. There's one right there on top. One at the bottom. It is pretty big muffler.
Wait, can I let go?
I mean, it has a couple hangers still. Oh, we didn't show you guys the before video. Before the rev. It's stuck exhaust out.
Yeah, for real.
I mean, you guys looking at this video, you obviously have a stock exhaust, right? Stock tip. Torque down. Well, it has to be torqued down.
Yeah.
30 foot-pound. Yeah, so we got 2 hangers out. And then these 2 bolts right here, the whole muffler. Now we're going through the back. Other side.
Oh shit, nigga. Oh, fucking
It looks like we got another 2. Oh, these ones are easier. You sprayed them or what? You doing?
I sprayed 2. I didn't know that.
I see that one's wet a little bit.
Yeah. With this.
little wet bitch.
I can't wait. Are we gonna start it before we take just the muffler off or no?
Okay, your spring came out.
Oh, fuck. Are you kidding me, Adrian? Are you fucking kidding me, dude? I think that's the lock, no?
Huh?
That's the lock.
It's a lock?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right?
I don't know.
I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure it was like a lock or something.
Is it off?
Hold on. I think it's on this one a little bit. Close your eyes.
Close my eyes. What the fuck? The metal gonna fall in my eyes?
No, all the dirt.
Fuck. God damn. My arm's going numb.
Alright.
What's up, flathead?
Oh, it's right there.
I recommend you guys get this tool. I think it was like $12 on eBay. I don't know what the exact brand it is. Is there a brand here?
No.
It's called exhaust hanger tool. That's literally what I typed when I did my exhaust on my Subi. Oh, it looks like the muffler's going down right now.
Go.
That's a big muffler. Look at that restriction. I still can't believe it has 1 pipe. It should have had like a white pipe.
And
To both sides, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn.
We gotta compare this right here. Big ass muffler.
So where
We got like 2 little mufflers right there.
Oh,
The muffler's up, guys.
the fucking eye.
Now what he's doing is taking the bottom hanger out, which is the last one. I think the rest of them are just nuts.
Yeah,
bolts
just 2 nuts.
with the springs.
Alright,
Right?
who's gonna get those 2 nuts?
Every car. Adrian, you're getting those, buddy.
I can't get those.
You
I don't
can?
fit.
Do you fit?
I don't fit.
Where is it all the way at? All the way up there?
Damn, I wasn't,
God damn, that was small.
I wasn't supposed to get dirty.
We'll put the cardboard for you, don't worry.
Fine, hurry. Hurry if I change my mind. Yeah, this was, I believe, like 2 or 3. Oh, that's 2.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty much it. Everything's going down. It reminds me of my Subi. Yeah, it reminds me of my Subaru. Like piping.
Subi on this shit.
Yeah, on this one.
It does?
On the other side it says Subi.
Yeah. It's like that middle part reminds me of mine. I still have it at home. My mom keeps bugging me about it. Toss it away.
Subaru.
Oh.
Well, yeah, it has a bucket motor.
Why not? But I thought Toyota came with the design, no?
Yeah, they came with the design, but they took the motor of that.
Yeah. Rear wheel drive. Tighter spot. I'm going in, guys. Ugh.
God damn, that's a tiny ass ball.
I feel like a glove. We got the 14.
I got the resonator.
was easy.
Shit on your head.
I'm gonna try to hopefully record. Oh, it's gonna fall on my head, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, you can hold the other one. This one, hold it. It's gonna fall down.
It's gonna fall on his head.
It's gonna fall on my phone.
Oh yeah. Check that shit up.
Oh,
It's coming up already.
Alright, guys, so the spring is out.
Look at that shit, bro.
Alright, so pretty much we
Oh shit, the nut.
dropped it down already. The spring. We got the new one in right now. Pretty big head right here. What? Oh, it has a hanger or no?
No, this one doesn't have hanger.
Oh, damn.
It'll slide onto the other shit.
I know, but you have to hold it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the camera down again, guys. Pretty much what I'm doing is putting the 2 screws back in. The same process as before.
Huh? Would you? Huh?
You put it up, Adrian?
Looking higher.
Oh yeah.
Did it have hardware or just these same ones?
It's the same ones.
Same ones?
Yeah.
With the light shit? Oh.
Yeah, the same ones. My bad. Oh yeah, you don't Perkins. He knows how to drive.
I don't know if you guys saw that. Probably not, 'cause it's too close. But the same screws that came out connected. Hopefully it doesn't have exhaust leaks. But it goes as tight as it goes. It's pretty snug. Oh, I got him with this white pipe or pipe, whatever. Oh, so this is the model of the exhaust. Is that composition?
Oh fuck! Shit almost smacked me. I don't know, honestly.
Me neither. I think I mentioned that before.
Get the fuck in.
Bottom pipe in. Now what are we doing, Adrian?
Lubing
Lubing the bushing so it could go in easier. We got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that pipe being held by a nut, pretty much. No hanger. Oh, that's pretty bad. Wow. So it just goes in with.
Hurry up, hurry.
Hey, what? What do you need?
Get down, you're putting that shit in, nigga.
What the fuck?
I'm holding it, you putting it in.
How am I supposed to drink my fucking beer if I'm down here?
I'm supposed to. Yeah.
I know, for real. That's what I'm
You
scared.
stick these things all the way through.
I'm gonna be like in the fucking freeway and it's just gonna fall off.
Not that one, dumbass.
Oh, you're right. What do you mean? It's right there though.
Oh shit, wait. Hold on, let's take it inside first. Pull the back one down.
Lights up in. Both mufflers.
It has the adjustable tips.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, nigga.
Oh, like more out, more in, or what?
Told
Falling
you.
on me. What the fuck is that? Is that oil or some shit? That WD-40?
Yeah.
Shoot it in my mouth, I'm gonna die.
Alright, I'm gonna stick mine in and you can stick your shit in.
Push that bitch in there. Fucking dirty hoe. Dude, my shit's hella crooked. You gotta push yours more in.
I'm gonna push them in and we're gonna fix it.
Wow.
Fuck
Getting it from the best, lubing it.
Oh yeah, there we go.
It's a match.
Wingstop.
Didn't you go to Wingstop earlier?
Now we went to Jalisco.
Thanks for that.
Your face is garbage.
Hurry up, fool.
Before it sounds the same.
Nah. Maybe we
It
had
don't smell
to.
like shit. All the foam that was in there. Sounds.
Oh, you had a moment.
Not that loud. Come outside.
time. Yeah. The muffler's back in already.